Okay guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. Today we're gonna make some ackee, and here I have the saltfish already. Wash it off and I'm boiling it right now. And we are gonna also make some banana dumpling. So we're gonna make ackee and saltfish and banana dumpling, guys. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make it today, okay? Alright, so let's get right into the video and right into the mixture at this moment. Yes guys, so I'm peeling the bananas. So what I'm gonna use, I'm using 2 bananas, okay? So, and yeah, so this is the grater right here. So I'm using 2 bananas. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grate the grater on this side. As you can see, pretty simple, pretty easy, quick and easy, just like that. So look at that. So I'm gonna grate the 2 bananas, and then we're gonna add the flour and salt. That's it. Okay guys, so what here's the amount of flour, probably 4 cups of flour I use, guys. I'm gonna use a little bit of salt, probably half teaspoon of salt, or whatever much salt you want to use, guys. So what I'm gonna basically do, I'm gonna rub it in like that, making the dough. Add some water. You don't want to add too much water because you already grated the bananas, and the green bananas will have a little moisture inside of it. So you just take your time and work it to make the dough. Take your time through a little bit of water. Yes. Alright, you take your time and work it until you get a perfect dough. Yes guys, so here's the dough, perfect dough. This is banana dumpling. So just finishing. Now I'm gonna wait over here until the pot is boiling up. Then I'm gonna add the dumplings, okay? And that's about it. Yes guys, so here I'm making the dumplings. Drop it in the pot, just like that. So when the water starts boiling, guys, that's when you come look over here now. So here I'm making the dumplings. This is how I make my dumplings as well. You roll it like that. You see it like that. Perfect. Yes guys, so after you make the dough with the banana dumplings, you can make it sit like for 15 minutes just to get that dumpling to be right. So that's basically it, guys. So you let it cook. You can let it cook for maybe like 30 minutes. I'm gonna add more things. That here I have my yam over here, and I have my bananas as well. So I'm gonna cook some yam, banana, and banana dumpling, and ackee and saltfish. So I'm gonna show you how we make the ackee and saltfish as well. To season the ackee and saltfish, red bell pepper, onion, spring onion aka scallion, and here's 2 garlic, green bell pepper, tomato, and a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna cut all these up. I'm gonna put it aside. That's to use to fry the ackee and the saltfish later. So here's the ackee. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw the ackee in some boiling water. Yeah, just to put the ackee a little bit. I'm gonna make that stay for like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Over here, come and see, guys, over here. So over here I got the saltfish, otherwise called codfish. In America, I know they call this codfish, so we call it salt fish. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scale it off, and then I'm gonna pick it. I'm gonna show you afterward after I'm cleaning this off. Alright, this I'm gonna take off. See that dumplings? Looking lovely. We have some bananas, we have some yams, some white yam. Looking lovely, guys. Coming on over here, see the ackee is boiling, and over here we have the saltfish. So what we're gonna do with the saltfish, aka codfish, I buy the one with the bones. You guys could use the boneless codfish if you would like. In Jamaica, this is our national dish, ackee and saltfish. Yeah, very lovely, easy. But the main part of this dish is the banana dumpling. Next time I'm gonna make carrot dumpling and show you guys as well. Alright, so I'm just dealing with the saltfish at this moment. Alright guys, so there I'm frying up the seasoning, the onion, scallion, sweet pepper, everything. So right now what I'm gonna do, So here I got the saltfish. So I'm gonna just drop the saltfish inside of here now. Yep. This guys, I reached to a descent where I'm the only one holding the camera at this moment. Yep. So trying to get some good scenes here for you guys. Looking lovely, right? Yep. Looking lovely. So next guys, I'm gonna let that fry up for 2 minutes, then I had that. So after 2 minutes guys, I'm throwing the ackee in. Just like that. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Not much. Come on. I'm gonna add some pimento seed. I'm gonna add my ginger and garlic pimento season. Basically what I'm doing guys, seasoning the ackee. I'm gonna use some garlic powder and some onion powder. This guys, so and then I'm gonna give that a mix that in. And guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let that cook for the next 10 minutes and then I turn it off. And then I'm going to show you the finished product. Quick and easy meal. Alright guys, all done. Look at that. Ackee and saltfish. Banana dumplings. Yam. Banana. Easy to make guys. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember guys to like, subscribe, share and comment. Look at that. Beautiful. Very easy to make. Just leave a comment if you want me to leave the ingredients in my description. Look at that. Ackee and saltfish, banana dumpling. Look at that guys. Looking good. Yes guys, look at that. All done. Plate is all clean. So delicious. Banana dumpling, ackee and saltfish. Yes, the right way to go. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment.